In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes to verify on eToro. Now, if you head over to their help center and you check for why is my account still not verified, they're gonna tell you that usually it's pretty quick. However, sometimes they need to manually review the documents, which can take up to 3 business days. So that means if you submit it on a Friday, it might only be on Wednesday that you get accepted, because it's gonna take business days, so weekends do not count. So if you send the documents and you're not verified yet, what I suggest you do is just give it a few days. If there's gone a whole week of business days, so Monday to Friday, and you're still not verified, I suggest you send them a ticket. So just send them, you can email them and ask them what's wrong. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.